Afternoon, everybody. This is Dave Longhorn with the AES and HRO Society. We're over here at AES headquarters. We're going to do that raffle from the other day. So let's find out who the lucky winner is for that Citadel PAT, the 12 gauge pump action shotgun with the nickel finish. There you go. Okay, and that ticket number is 247-6542. 247-6542. So congratulations to Richard B. Richard will be giving you a call. And again, everybody, thank you for your continued support of Arizona Elk Society and Heroes Rising Outdoors.